This video will review the CitoPress-30, which is Struers twin cylinder hot mounting press. Here you will learn how to use the machine and the benefits of this product. Additional features for this product include a resin database, a sensitive mode and an automatic doser, which can all be purchased with your machine. The CitoPress is the fastest hot mounting press on the market, with a 40mm mount completed in 6.5 minutes, which gives a time saving of 50% against our competition. The beauty of the shorter heating times is reduced energy consumption. Also, with the preset cooling levels, you will never use more water than needed. The advantage of the twin cylinder CitoPress-30 is that you have double capacity on a single footprint. On today's machine we're going to show you a 50mm cylinder on the left, 40mm cylinder on the right. We're going to use a couple of different resins, and that will give you a good idea of how quick you can have two mounts ready to grind and polish. Cylinders also available from 25mm up to 50mm, including two imperial options of 1¼ and 1.5". Matt's now going to start on the left hand cylinder, applying the anti-stick to both the upper and lower ram. Once the sample is in place, Matt will lower the ram and then pop the resin in. Now the resin's in, he'll swing it in and just easily lock the cylinder up. He'll now set the parameters. This machine has the built-in database, so he's going to select CitoFast, and all the heating and cooling times will automatically be displayed. Now he's ready, he's pressed go, and the countdown begins. Matt's now going to engage the ram on the right and repeat the process. As you can see, nice and easy operation of the upper rams. Now you can see we have both countdowns. The top one showing the ram on the left, which now has 4 minutes 20 left and it's still on the heating process, and the lower time shows the cylinder on the right, which is now just above 6 minutes and also on the heating time. This means that we'll have both cylinders ready to use in under 10 minutes. With each CitoPress, you will receive a hot mounting application guide. This will give hints and tips for best processes and also details of all the resins available from Struers. Now the left hand side is finished, we can remove that sample while the right hand side continues in the process. And there you have a workable 50mm mount in under 6 minutes. Now the right hand side's finished, Matt will remove that and both mounts will now be complete. And again, they have a completed mount that's ready to work straight away in 6.5 minutes. So that means that we've now done 2 mounts, a 50mm and a 40mm mount in under 10 minutes.